Welcome back to the Harvest to Table videos channel. Want to get a head start on the vegetable garden season? Or maybe keep those fresh harvests coming well into the colder months? Today we're taking a look at how row covers and plastic tunnels can protect plants from frost, warm the soil, and even keep pests at bay. We'll show you how to use these simple yet powerful tools to maximize your garden's potential. Let's get started. First up, reasons to use plastic tunnels and row covers. A row cover is a lightweight horticultural fabric placed directly over plants or supported by hoops to shield them from frost, insects, and harsh weather, while allowing air, light, and water to pass through. A plastic tunnel is a mini greenhouse made of plastic sheeting stretched over hoops, used to protect plants from cold, wind, and pests, while creating a warmer growing environment. One of the most significant advantages of row covers and plastic tunnels is their ability to moderate temperature fluctuations. Early spring and late autumn often bring unpredictable weather, including cold nights and unexpected frosts. Plastic tunnels, also known as low tunnels or hoop houses, act as miniature greenhouses that trap heat during the day and retain warmth overnight. This added insulation helps prevent tender seedlings and even mature plants from experiencing temperature shock, which can stunt growth or lead to plant loss. Row covers made from spun fabric or lightweight plastic provide similar benefits, shielding young plants from frost while allowing air and moisture to pass through. These protective structures also warm the soil. In early spring, cold soil can delay seed germination and slow plant development. By covering garden beds with plastic tunnels or row covers, gardeners can raise soil temperatures by several degrees, creating a more favorable environment for seed sprouting. Warm soil is particularly important for warm season crops, such as tomatoes and peppers, which require higher soil temperatures for successful germination and growth. Even cool season crops, including lettuce, carrots, and radishes, benefit from the increased warmth and consistent conditions provided by plastic tunnels and row covers. These covers also protect delicate seedlings and plants from heavy rains and strong winds, which can damage tender leaves and hinder plant development. Plastic tunnels and row covers also serve as effective barriers against pests. Early in the season, garden pests such as aphids, flea beetles, and cabbage worms can damage young seedlings before they have a chance to establish themselves. Row covers act as a physical shield, reducing the need for chemical pest control and allowing plants to grow without interference. What plastic tunnels can do. Plastic tunnels can significantly increase the temperature inside compared to the outside environment. Depending on sunlight exposure, ventilation, and the type of plastic used, the interior of a plastic tunnel can be 5 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 to 11 degrees Celsius warmer than the outside temperature. On particularly sunny days, temperatures inside can rise as much as 30 degrees Fahrenheit or 17 degrees Celsius above ambient conditions if not ventilated. As the air inside a tunnel warms, the soil also warms. This warmth provides an optimal growing environment for early season crops and helps gardeners get a head start on planting. Plastic sheeting for tunnels comes in different thicknesses, typically measured in mils. 1 mil equals 0.001 inches thick, with common options being 3 mil, 4 mil, and 6 mil. The thin and inexpensive 3 mil plastic is best for short-term use or temporary season extension. The 4 mil plastic offers a balance between durability and flexibility, making it suitable for small tunnels with moderate weather exposure. The more durable 6 mil plastic is ideal for high tunnels or overwintering crops, as it provides better insulation and withstands wind, snow, and UV exposure. Some plastic sheeting is also UV stabilized, which extends its lifespan by resisting sun damage, making it a better choice for long-term use. To construct a plastic tunnel, gardeners need a series of flexible supports, such as PVC pipes or metal hoops, inserted into the soil at regular intervals to create a frame. Plastic sheeting is then draped over the hoops and secured with clips, rocks, or soil along the edges to prevent wind from dislodging it. Ventilation is essential to prevent overheating. Simply lifting the sides or creating small openings on warmer days is usually enough to prevent overheating and regulate airflow. Row covers. Row covers are not as heavy as plastic sheeting, but still offer protection. Row covers are made from materials such as spun-bonded polyester, polypropylene, or perforated plastic. These covers are lightweight and breathable, allowing air, light, and water to reach the plants while still providing protection from frost, wind, and pests. Row covers can be draped directly over plants and secured with garden staples, soil, or weights along the edges, or they can be supported by hoops to prevent direct contact with delicate foliage. Placing row covers directly on just emerged seedlings is not advised. Row covers come in three main weights: lightweight, 0.5 to 1 ounce per square yard; medium weight, 1 to 1.5 ounce per square yard; and heavyweight, 1.5 to 2.5 ounce per square yard. Lightweight covers allow 85 to 95% of sunlight through and provide minimal frost protection, about 2 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the surrounding environment. They are ideal for insect protection, light shade, and summer use. Medium weight covers allow 70 to 85% of sunlight and offer moderate frost protection, about 4 to 6 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the surrounding environment. They are often used for extending the growing season in spring and fall. Heavyweight covers allow only 30 to 50% of sunlight, but provide the most frost protection, about 8 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than the surrounding environment. They can be used for overwintering crops or shielding plants from harsh cold. By using row covers effectively, gardeners can create a microclimate that encourages faster growth and stronger plants, ensuring an earlier start to the gardening season and a more resilient crop. When to use plastic tunnels and row covers. The right time to start using row covers and plastic tunnels in spring depends on local climate conditions, the last expected frost date, and the type of crops being grown. Typically, gardeners begin using these protective structures a few weeks before the last expected frost to help warm the soil and create a stable microclimate for early planting. A good rule of thumb is to install plastic tunnels and row covers when daytime temperatures consistently reach 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 to 10 degrees Celsius, and nighttime temperatures remain above 25 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 4 degrees Celsius. These conditions allow for safe early planting, while still protecting plants from unexpected cold snaps. Crops such as lettuce, spinach, kale, radishes, carrots, and cabbages can tolerate cooler temperatures and benefit from being planted under row covers 2 to 4 weeks before the last frost. Warm season crops like tomatoes and peppers are best placed under tunnels once soil temperatures have reached at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius to promote healthy growth. Plastic tunnels and row covers can be used to warm the soil before plants are set out. To time row cover usage with the last frost date, check historical frost patterns in your region and monitor local weather forecasts for sudden temperature drops. If an unexpected frost is predicted, additional layers of frost blankets or insulating row covers can be used to provide extra protection. Once daytime temperatures become consistently warm and the risk of frost has passed, Row covers and plastic tunnels can be ventilated more frequently or removed to prevent overheating. Row covers and plastic tunnels can be used in the fall vegetable garden to protect crops from early frosts, extend the growing season, and shield plants from pests. Use lightweight row covers for frost-sensitive crops, and plastic tunnels for added warmth and insulation as temperatures drop. Plastic tunnels and row covers can be used in winter to protect cold-hardy crops like kale, spinach, and carrots from cold winds, snow, and freezing temperatures. Plastic tunnels provide extra warmth, while heavier row covers offer insulation against frost, helping to extend the harvest throughout winter. And there you have it. Using plastic tunnels and row covers is a simple yet effective way to maximize your vegetable garden's potential. These tools not only protect crops from cold temperatures, but also create an environment that promotes early and sustained growth. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Harvest to Table Videos channel. Please hit the share button to send this video to a friend. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or tips on using row covers and plastic tunnels. To read our tunnel and row cover guides, click on the links in the notes below. Thanks for watching today, and as always, happy gardening. See you in the next video.